As we know from Benjamin Franklin, nothing in the world is certain except for death and taxes. Aside from a very few exceptions, governments all around the planet impose a variety of taxes on their citizens in order to finance a variety of services and institutions. The most important and most common form of tax is the income tax. People are required to give away a certain percentage of their yearly income to the government. That percentage, or tax rate, varies greatly between countries and sometimes even regions within a country. Most countries also have a progressive tax rate in place. Such rate increases with the income level of the respective taxpayer. Tax rates may also vary based on the marital status and on whether an individual has children or not. The following ranking lists the 10 countries with the highest income tax rates on average. The ranking is therefore based on the most up-to-date tax rate estimate, including deductions, that an average citizen has to pay in his/her respective country. 1. Belgium. Income taxation type: progressive. Highest marginal income tax rate, 50%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 25%. Belgium has the highest all-in average personal income tax rate in the world. The average Belgian has to give away 33.8%, or 1/3, of his annual income to the government. People in Belgium pay a progressive income tax from 25% to 50%. For married couples, the average rate is at roughly 30%, while people with 2 or more minor children even pay slightly less than 30% on average. 2. Denmark. Income taxation type: progressive, first $7,200 per year deductible. Highest marginal income tax rate, 55.9%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 31.8%. Pretty much at the same level as people in Belgium, people in Denmark also have to give away roughly 1/3 of their annual income to the Danish government. The average personal income tax is at around 33.5%. The Danish progressive tax system has the world's highest marginal tax rate range, the highest rate being at 55.9% and the lowest one at 31.8%. But the Danish don't seem to mind, considering they're consistently being reported as among the happiest nations in the world. The first 46,000 Danish kroner, of one's annual income, which is roughly 6,100 euros or $7,200, are also deductible, which does lower the Danish net tax rate a bit. 3. Austria. Income taxation type: progressive. Highest marginal income tax rate, 55%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 0%. Austria has the third highest average income tax rate in the world. It is at around 31.7%. The Austrian tax system has 8 marginal income tax brackets. The lowest one, for people with an annual income of under 11,000 euros, $12,000. It is at 0. This means the poorest people in Austria do not have to pay any taxes at all. The highest marginal income tax rate is at 55%, which applies to millionaires and billionaires. 4. Germany. Income taxation type: progressive, plus solidarity surcharge, first $10,000 per year deductible. Highest marginal income tax rate, 47.5%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 14%. Germany has the fourth highest average personal income tax rate in place. The progressive tax system in Germany sees taxpayers pay between 14% and 47.5%. They are also required to pay 5.5% on their tax bill as part of the solidarity surcharge introduced after the reunification of Germany in 1990. The first 9,100 euros, $10,000, are tax-free, however, which brings the average income tax down quite a bit. The German tax system also offers plenty of special deductions to married couples and especially to people with children, which brings the average income tax rate in Germany down to 30.3%. This is still among the highest income tax rates in the world, of course. 5. Finland. Income taxation type: progressive, plus social contribution tax. Highest marginal income tax rate, 31.3%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 6%. The average personal income tax rate in Finland is at roughly 30%. The Finnish tax system is progressive in nature with 4 brackets ranging from 6% to 31.3%. Finns are also required to pay indirect income taxes, most important a social contribution tax. The tax system in Finland does not take into account the marital status of the taxpayer. 6. Slovenia. Income taxation type: progressive. Highest marginal income tax rate, 50%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 16%. Tax rates are progressive and range from 16 to 50% and are the same for residents and non-residents. A 50% tax rate applies for income exceeding €72,000. 7. Hungary. Income taxation type: flat, 15% plus social contribution tax. Hungary has a personal income tax rate of 15% of the tax base. For resident taxpayers, the tax base is their whole income, while in the case of non-resident taxpayers it represents their locally taxable incomes. 8. Netherlands. Income taxation type: progressive, first $23,000 per year deductible. Highest marginal income tax rate, 51.8%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 36.7%. The Netherlands is a socially conscious country, and higher earners can expect substantial taxation on their salary, up to 49.5%. However, your personal situation, type of work, residency status, and other assets and earnings, particularly from abroad, will affect your position considerably. Furthermore, different rules apply to self-employment taxes in the Netherlands. 9. Italy. Income taxation type: progressive, first $9,400 per year deductible. Highest marginal income tax rate, 47%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 23%. Tax rates are progressive and range from 23% to 43%. Additional taxes are due at the regional, 0.9% to 1.4%, and local, 0.1% to 0.8%, levels. If you're a foreign resident working in Italy, you're only taxed on the income earned in Italy. 10. Turkey. Income taxation type: progressive. Highest marginal income tax rate, 35%. Lowest marginal income tax rate, 15%. Turkey taxes its residents on their worldwide income, whereas non-residents are taxed on Turkish source earnings only. Income tax is levied on taxable income at progressive rates after certain deductions and allowances. There is no special tax regime for expatriates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye.